Want to carry groceries without strain? Play with your kids or grandkids with ease? Bend, lift, and move through life without worrying about aches or injuries? After 40, fitness isn't just about how you look in the gym mirror. It's about how well you move in everyday life. And that's where functional fitness comes in. Functional fitness isn't about building bulk or chasing a six-pack. It's about training your body to handle the movements you use every day. Lifting, bending, pushing, pulling, twisting, and balancing. In other words, it's about strength that actually matters. So what exactly is functional fitness? It's training that prepares you for real-world activities. Carrying groceries, climbing stairs, shoveling snow, moving furniture, gardening, or even getting up from the floor. These are all functional movements. Instead of isolating muscles with machines, functional training focuses on compound, multi-joint movements that engage your whole body. The goal is efficiency, balance, and coordination. When you train functionally, you're practicing life, not just exercise. After 40, functional fitness isn't just beneficial, it's essential. Here's why. Muscle loss accelerates. Without training, you can lose 3–5% of muscle mass per decade after 40. Balance declines. Falls become a bigger risk with age, but balance can be retrained. Joints stiffen. Years of sitting or repetitive movements tighten hips, shoulders, and back. Daily demands continue. Carrying kids, lifting luggage, working in the yard, life doesn't stop just because your body feels older. Functional fitness reverses these declines by keeping you strong, mobile, and independent. Functional training is built around 5 basic movement patterns. Push, like push-ups, overhead presses, or pushing a heavy door. Pull, rows, pull-downs, or lifting something toward you. Hinge, bending at the hips like deadlifts or picking something up safely. Squat, sitting down, standing up, or lowering to the floor. Carry, farmer's carries or holding a child. By practicing these patterns, you're teaching your body to move with control and confidence in real life. Here are some of the most effective exercises for functional strength after 40. Squats. Strengthen legs, hips, and core. Essential for sitting and standing with ease. Lunges. Improve balance and mobility while mimicking walking and climbing stairs. Planks. Build core stability, protecting your spine during every movement. Push-ups. Strengthen chest, shoulders, and arms for everyday pushing motions. Rows. Using resistance bands or weights, rows improve posture and pulling strength. Deadlifts. Train your hinge pattern, teaching you to lift safely from the ground. Farmer's carries. Hold weights in each hand and walk. This builds grip strength, posture, and stability. Even without equipment, these movements translate directly into real-life strength. While body weight is enough to get started, a few tools can make functional training more fun and versatile. Resistance bands are portable and joint-friendly, great for rows, presses, and hip work. Kettlebells mimic real-life lifting with dynamic movements like swings and carries. Medicine balls allow for throws and twists, training power and coordination. Stability balls or balance boards challenge your core and improve balance. But remember, the best tool is the one you'll use consistently. Don't let lack of equipment stop you. Your own body is the most functional tool you have. Your core is the foundation of functional fitness. It's not just abs, it's your entire midsection, including back and hips. A strong core stabilizes your spine, improves posture, and lowers your risk of falls. Try exercises like bird dogs, side planks, and bridges. Combine them with balance training, single leg stands, heel-to-toe walks, or yoga poses like tree pose. These movements improve stability and coordination, making you more resilient in daily life. So how do you put it all together? Here's a simple starter routine: warm-up. 5 minutes of dynamic moves, arm circles, leg swings, light marching. Circuit, 3 rounds of 8–12 reps each, squats, push-ups, rows with bands, lunges, planks. Finisher, farmer's carry or step-ups for 1–2 minutes. Cool down, stretch hips, hamstrings, chest, and shoulders. This whole routine takes 20–25 minutes and can be done 2–3 times per week. Progress gradually by increasing reps, resistance, or balance challenges. Here's the bottom line. After 40, fitness isn't just about muscles, it's about movement. Functional fitness is the secret to carrying groceries with ease, bending without pain, climbing stairs with confidence, and playing with your family without limits. You don't need a gym. You don't need hours a day. You just need consistency and the willingness to train for the life you want. So start today. Train for real life, and you'll feel stronger, steadier, and more capable in everything you do. Because fitness after 40 isn't about slowing down. It's about living fully.